Good people, it's your girl Sally and I'm back with a very interesting video. Kama kawaida guys, nimwambia nini, we have good news. Right now our company has a branch at GM means General Motors. It's still located at Mombasa Road, but the other side guys, huko headquarters sasa. So mtakuwa mnaniona huko, nafanyia huko advert. Karibuni huko guys, mtakuwa mnakuja huko, I'll be serving you from there. But our main branch remains, bado huko kuna sales ladies watabaki. So this one is a pressurized solar water heater. We are remaining with pressurized 150 liters and 300 liters watu wangu. Hakuna kuoga maji baridi, hakuna kuosha vyombo na maji baridi anymore. This one is going at 80,000 Kenyan shillings on offer. The offer began yesterday up to the 3rd of July, but hii tumekuwa tukiwapea tu na offer. This one comes with 15 tubes za kuheat maji. You don't require to purchase a solar panel. Normally, our pressurized solar water heaters are stainless guys. 300 liters is going at 134,000 Kenyan shillings only from 198 guys. Nimewapea offer ya 60,000, a whole 60,000. What is preventing you from getting off grid ya kuoga maji baridi na kuosha vyombo na maji baridi guys? We are moving away from that. Namba yangu iko hapo kwa bio. I'll pin it down below. You can just give me a call or text me at any given time of the day. Karibuni.